Make your own Gorilla Tag fan game. And yes, this is probably the simplest way I've found. So what you're going to want to do is go to the link in the description. You'll find the Unity Hub and just download that. And then wait for it to open. You should have to like sign in. Then just go to installs, go to settings, or install it. And when you're in there, first click on while it's installing, go to add modules. Then go to the Android support, Android thing, Android SDK and NDK tools, and make sure that's installed. And that's all in the Android build support. You're not going to need you could get Microsoft Visual Studio if you want to. Basically, that's if you're going to do like other projects instead of just this video worths. Then go, when your editor is done installing, go to projects and go to new project. Then go to 3D Core. Don't go to VR Core because that won't work. Then just name your project whatever. I'm gonna name it like tutorial. I'm just gonna name it Tut. Yes. Then just create project. Then if you have your Unity done, this screen should pop up. It'll take a while to like install all of the things, and I'll meet you back when it's done. Okay, when you're loaded in, you should see this. We're not going to do anything with this now, but first what you're going to want to do is go to Edit, go to Project Settings and Edit, then go to the XR Plugin Management, then click on Install. Then when it's done, you should see this screen. Click on Open XR. Then when you see this screen, just click Yes. Then the editor should restart, and it won't take too long the second time because it's already installed. So yeah, and would you see that it's already done? And if you see like 2 issues and one of them says fix, just click fix. Then when all that's done, all you want to do is go to this one. It says edit, so click edit. Then click on this, click on multipass, then go to the Android, go to multipass as well. Go back to the monitor, then go to this little plus right here. Then do Valve Index controller profile, and then the Oculus Touch controller profile. Don't use the MetaQuest Touch Pro controller profile. And yeah, when that's done, go to XR Plugin Management, go to the little Android, go to Oculus, click on Oculus. Then when you do that, go to Oculus, then go to low overhead mode, click that. Make sure you're not on the monitor. Make sure you're in this. Go to multi-view, click on multipass, go to monitor, do multipass here. Then leave it as this. If there's 1 tick, 2 ticked, all of them ticked, and then yeah, I think this is pretty good. So then what you're gonna want to do is, I'm just gonna check. Okay, it's good. So what you're gonna want to do is click the X, then go to the link in the description, and you should find the first, before you install the thing in the link in the description, you're going to want to go to 3D object, click plane, then scale it out using the scale tool right here. Then just fly towards it using ASWD and hold the right mouse button, then go on this little box and scale it out. And if you want materials, just go to here, go to create folder, name it Matt or whatever you want. That's how to find the materials. Go into it, create another folder, name it color, double click that, then go in here, click create, then finally go to materials. Then I'm gonna get a lovely green color, and then what you want to do is you can name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna have a new material, then go here, then yeah, it should be green. Then go into the link in the description, and then when you download the official you're gonna go to the GitHub page. Then you should go to, let me find it. Wait, then you should go down into, oh wait, no, you don't go down. You click on the gorilla locomotion, then it should send you to this page. Then just click on the used rigged thing, or I don't remember what it's called. Just click on the button. It should be like somewhere down here where my mouse is. Then once you do that, you're gonna right click in assets. There's two ways of doing this, but I'm gonna show you the easiest way. Then click on import new package, then go to custom package. Then you should see your gorilla locomotion. I accidentally downloaded it twice. Then double click it. Then click all up here or wherever the all button is. Then click import. Then just click reload. Then if you made a floor like I did, it might have disappeared, but just make a new floor, 3D object, plane, go make a new one, color, material, and then yes. Then when you have your floor, like you could add like some 3D object, cube, make the cube a tiny bit bigger. You could make the cube like whatever color, like I'm gonna add a rock color. So just make your game fancy until like you like it. I need to make a rock color like this, then go here, click on it, click on this, Control C, Control V, then you copied it. Then I'm gonna make some parkour, Control V, and I'm gonna make some simple parkour. And you can make whatever you want. You don't have to make this parkour course, but I just made this simple parkour. And so what you're going to want to do is go to assets and resources, gorilla prefab, then drag your gorilla rig in. If these things are too big for the map, just go to your plane, click it, then shift click the bottom one, then make create empty, name it map, then grab the plane and then the cube, then drag it into the map. Then if you move the map, the whole thing will shrink. So then you don't have to, like, when you're only doing the map, then then this goes up, then you have to put everything in. This is just an easier way because then you could control the entire map, like you can move it. Oh, what, bro? I'm gonna move that back. Map, just move it right here, and if it's still too big, just keep scaling it down. Like, use a white box instead, because then everything will mess up. So I'm gonna put them on the floor. This looks pretty good. Then, when you've done all of this, you should be able to like just put on your headset, like, and then go to Steam Link. Then like I usually use Steam Link. You have to have a Steam account to use Steam Link though. So then open up Steam, then just in your headset, go to your monitor thing, then click the play up here. And then this is what the game might look like because I'm looking the wrong direction. So if he's actually he might be in the floor a tiny bit. Hold up. Let me rotate this dude. So I'm gonna rotate him, and he should be able to. Yeah, I don't know what's happening here. Ruh-roh. And I'm just gonna restart the game to see if everything will actually be loaded. Okay, well, this should work inside of VR. I don't know why this is happening, but it should work. I might actually test it on VR. Well, actually, oh wait, yeah, I totally forgot. You wanna also delete the main camera. Then, when it's deleted, the gorilla rig will have the main camera, so then you will, oh wait, and make sure you're not playing it, otherwise it won't work. Just delete the main camera. Then, when you're in the play, then it will work. Like, you could go to scene, maybe move your character around with the gorilla rig. I'm gonna rotate him so he looks over here, then, as you can see, when I go in here, then he will be rotated. Let me just rotate him. Then he will be able to see all of this stuff. Then it should collide with him because he's obviously the game. So if I go in here, then if you go to scene view, you can actually move him up and down if nobody's playing on it. If someone's playing on it, won't really work. And yeah, this is how to make a Gorilla Tag fan game. And I will make more, if you want me to, I will make more videos about this. But if you don't want me to make any more videos, that's fine. I will show you how to get like multiplayer, player model. I'll show you how to get all those things. The background could be any color. I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, this is how to make a simple but fun Gorilla Tag fan game. You could keep adding to this. As I try it, you can make a material. So yeah, I don't know where this dude's right hand went. I have 2 spheres. That's good. So if any of the steps were unclear, just go into the comments and ask me what you didn't think was like good, and I will probably figure out how to help you. And if I can't help you, just watch the tutorial over and over. Watch it step by step. You can even slow it down if I'm being too fast. Anything like that to help you out. But I hope you enjoyed the video, because this was my first ever video showing you like on PC stuff, because this is super simple. And don't really move the hands. I totally forgot that. Well, actually, if you want to, you can move the hands, because the hands will always go back to where the player will be. You can maybe move the hands, the spheres. Well, you could definitely move the gorilla rig. And if any of these steps did really help you, I suggest subscribing and liking, because I will do more videos like this every day. I'm trying to make videos every day, but I can't really post every day because sometimes I have to do school. I'm going somewhere for a vacation. I'm going up to my cousin's house, and then it gets too late. And by the way, the reason I do so many videos is because yeah. Well, anyways, if this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you